Ever wondered how safe your personal information is on the internet? In this increasingly digital age, our lives are more intertwined with the online world than ever before. From online shopping to social media, we're constantly sharing personal information. But with this convenience comes potential risks. Failing to protect your personal information can lead to devastating consequences like identity theft or financial loss. The digital realm is a double-edged sword, offering both opportunities and threats. Now that we understand the potential risks, let's dive into how we can protect ourselves. Safeguarding your personal information is not rocket science. It's a process everyone can follow. Let's break it down into manageable steps. Firstly, it's crucial to create strong passwords. Your password is your first line of defense against online predators, so make it count. Use a combination of letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid using personal information that others might easily guess. And remember, no two passwords should be the same. Next, be cautious about sharing sensitive information over non-secure platforms. If you're unsure, look for the little padlock symbol in the address bar of your browser. That's a sign that the website you're on is secure. Another effective measure is using two-factor authentication. This adds an extra layer of security, requiring not just a password and username, but also something unique to you, like a piece of information or a physical token. Regularly updating software is also a key step. This often includes security enhancements to protect against newly discovered threats, so don't ignore those update notifications. Finally, be wary of clicking on links from unknown sources. These could potentially lead to malicious sites designed to steal your personal information. Remember, these steps are not one-time tasks. They must be part of your regular online routine, because when it comes to safeguarding personal information, consistency is key. Keep your guard up and stay safe out there in the digital world. One of the most common threats to your personal information is phishing attempts. Imagine a deceiving email or message, seemingly from a reputable source, luring you into revealing your sensitive details. It's a trap. Recognizing such attempts is crucial. Be wary of unsolicited messages, check for poor grammar, and most importantly, never click on suspicious links or provide personal information to unknown sources. Remember, curiosity killed the cat. Stay vigilant and question anything that seems suspicious. Your personal information is valuable. Treat it that way. In a nutshell, online safety is all about being vigilant and proactive. It's about protecting your personal information like a treasure. Remember, strong passwords are your first line of defense. Be creative and unpredictable. Additionally, staying alert to phishing attempts is crucial. These scams might be crafty, but you're smarter. Don't forget to keep your software up to date. It's like giving your online security a regular health check. The internet can be a safe space if we take the right precautions. Remember to safeguard your personal information like you would your wallet, because in the wrong hands, it can be just as valuable.